Welcome to our first vlog here in Catanduanes. We are Gianan Gutierrez family. Here in Catanduanes, Gianan is pronounced as Hianan. So we're from the Hianan clan here in Virac, Catanduanes. And ngayon, umuwi kami ng Catanduanes to visit our relatives, especially dito sa Virac, Catanduanes. And our first stop is to visit different beaches here in Catanduanes. And ang una namin pinuntahan ay ang Mamangal Beach, which is only around 15 minutes from Virac. Parang less pa nga eh. So, napakalapit lang niya and napaka-isolated. So, ang pinuntahan namin sa Mamangal is yung libre. Nagtipid muna kami. Yung libre lang. Ang bayad ay 10 pesos per person para sa environmental fee. So, that's 10 pesos each. Tapos, 9 kami. So, 90 pesos yung binayaran namin. Nagbaon lang kami ng mga food na merienda kasi hapon na kami nagpunta, mga 2 p.m. Kaya, ayan, makikita nyo low tide. Pero, sobrang linis. Yung sand niya, hindi siya humahalo sa paa pag yung tinapakan mo. So, napakasarap mag-beach dito. Ayan, kasama namin yung iba naming mga uncles and my dad and yung mga iba naming titos and titas. By the way, since ito yung aming very first vlog dito sa YouTube, I would like to introduce ourselves. We're, as I mentioned a while ago, we're Hianan Gutierrez family. So, it's my husband Ryan Gutierrez and my daughter Sofia Gutierrez, and I'm Min Gianan Gutierrez. I have a Facebook account, Min Gianan Gutierrez. You can check our page. So we took an hour road trip to, guess what? Puraran Beach Resort in Baras, Catanduanes. So ang ganda ng view na dinaanan namin for an hour. May mga zigzag, may mga maraming views na mga abaca plants. So napakadami sa dinaanan namin, and now we're almost here dito na sa Puraran Beach Resort. So nagbayad muna kami ng environmental fee na 30 pesos each na good for 3 days, and yung magagamit natin yon sa iba't ibang mga tourist spots dito sa Baras, Catanduanes. And eto na, andito na kami sa Puraran Beach Resort. So we paid another 30 pesos each for the entrance fee, day tour, and then another 350 pesos sa cottage na napili namin. And you can see, napakaganda ng view. Sobrang linis, sobrang ganda. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda. Actually, dream come true na nakarating ako dito sa Puraran Beach Resort. Actually, sa Puraran. Kasi before, way back 2010, nagsasurf ako with my friends sa Baler and sa La Union. And of course, sa isang wannabe surfer, syempre gustong-gusto mo rin makapunta sa iba pang surf spots. And syempre, mas gusto ko rin ma-reach yung dito sa Catanduanes dahil Hianan family is a native of Catanduanes Island. So that's it for now. Dalawang beaches muna yung napuntahan natin for today, for today's vlog here in Catanduanes. It's actually our third day in Catanduanes. First day, syempre visit muna ng mga relatives, and then second day, nagmamangal beach kami, and then third day here in Puraran Beach Resort. And sa mga next vlogs namin, pupunta naman kami sa mga ibang tourist spots here in Catanduanes. So I hope you enjoyed our vlog, and looking forward to many more vlogs and adventures with us, Ryan, Sophia, and Min Gianan Gutierrez. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.